How to make an appointment with a cosmetologist.
Hi there. I'd like to make an appointment.
Of course. What kind of service are you looking for?
I need a facial and a manicure. My friend recommended I come here.
Great. Do you have a preferred cosmetologist?
I heard Maria is really good. Is she available?
Let me check. Yes, Maria has an opening this Thursday.
Thursday works for me. What time is available?
She has a slot at 3 p.m. Does that work for you?
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Can I get your name and phone number?
Sure, it's Jessica Parker, and my number is 555-1234.
Thank you, Jessica. You're all set for Thursday at 3 p.m. with Maria.
Thanks. Do I need to bring anything?
Nope, just yourself. But avoid using any skin products before your facial.
Got it. Anything else I should know?
Make sure your nails are clean for the manicure. Also, arrive a few minutes early to fill out a form.
Okay, I will. Thanks for the heads up.
No problem, Jessica. We look forward to seeing you.
Can't wait. Bye.
Bye, Jessica. Have a great day.
Oh, one more thing. How did you hear about Maria? I've read great reviews online.
Maria's been with us for years. Clients love her, and we often share her work on our social media.
That's good to know. I actually found you guys through Instagram.
Social media is great for connecting. Feel free to reach out anytime. We also have an online booking system.
That's convenient. I'll keep that in mind for next time.
Yes, you can even request a stylist directly. See you Thursday, Jessica.
Absolutely. Thank you again. Bye.
Bye, Jessica.
Actually, could you help me with something else?
Sure, what do you need help with?
I'm also considering a haircut, but I'm unsure what style would suit me.
We have a few stylists who are great with consultations. Would you like to book a separate appointment or add it to your existing one?
Let's add it to my existing appointment if possible.
Okay, let me see. Yes, we can fit in a haircut consultation after your facial and manicure.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Jessica. Looking forward to seeing you on Thursday.
Me too. Bye.
Bye. How to make an appointment with a dentist.
Hi, I'm here to make an appointment with a dentist.
Sure thing. What's your name?
I'm Anna Smith.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Why do you need to see the dentist?
I have a toothache and could use a cleaning.
Got it. Let me check our schedule. We have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works perfectly.
Awesome. I just need your contact number.
Sure, it's 555-123-4567.
Great! Do you have dental insurance?
Yep, it's with Health First.
Perfect. Bring your insurance card with you. Any questions?
What do I need to bring besides my insurance card?
Just your ID and any dental records you might have.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. By the way, I found you guys online. Your reviews are great.
Oh, thank you. We're glad you chose us. Did you have trouble finding our contact info?
No, it was easy. Your website is super clear.
I'm glad to hear that. It makes things easier for everyone.
For sure. Plus, you accept my insurance, so that's a win.
Just curious, how did you decide on our clinic?
I looked at a few options nearby. Your clinic had the best reviews and recommendations.
That's great! We work hard to keep our patients happy.
And you're close to where I live, so it's super convenient.
Location is key. Happy we fit the bill. Anything else?
Actually, booking was a breeze too. I just called and got through right away.
Glad it was smooth for you. Some folks prefer online booking. Did you see that option?
Yes, but I wanted to speak to someone since it's my first visit.
Totally get that. We're here to help however you contact us.
I appreciate it. Looking forward to my appointment.
See you tomorrow at 10 a.m., Anna.
Thanks. See you then. I thought finding a dentist would be harder. I checked reviews and recommendations.
We're just happy you found us. How's your toothache?
It's been bothering me for a few days, so I thought I should get it checked.
Good call. Toothaches can get worse if not treated.
Yeah, I didn't want to wait too long. Better safe than sorry.
Absolutely. Anything else you need to know before tomorrow?
Nope, I think I'm all set. Thank you.
Great. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m., Anna. Take care.
You too. See you then.
How to make an appointment with a doctor.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
I need to make an appointment with a doctor.
Of course. Do you know which type of doctor you need to see?
I'm not sure. I've been having headaches.
In that case, you might want to see a general practitioner first.
Sounds good. How can I contact them?
I can give you their contact details, or you can find this information online.
Can you provide the details, please?
Sure. The general practitioner's office can be reached at this number.
Thank you. What's the next step?
You can call their office or book an appointment online through their website.
All right. What information do I need to provide?
You'll need to provide your personal details and the reason for your visit.
Like my name and address?
Yes, and also your phone number and any medical history.
Got it. Anything else?
Just confirm the appointment date and time and any preparations required.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Oh, one more thing. Do I need to bring any documents?
Yes, please bring your medical records and insurance card.
Okay. Do I need to fast or anything?
It depends. They will inform you if any preparations are needed.
Great. I think I'm all set now.
Perfect. See you soon.
Thanks again.
I would also recommend making a list of your symptoms.
That's a good idea. Should I include how long they've been happening?
Yes, and any patterns you notice, like if they get worse at a certain time.
Understood. What if I need a specialist instead?
You can describe your symptoms to the general practitioner, and they will refer you to a specialist if needed.
Thanks, that's very helpful.
Anytime. Take care.
Actually, could you also tell me about the insurance coverage?
Sure. We accept most insurance plans. It's best to check with your provider.
Can I pay with a credit card if my insurance doesn't cover everything?
Yes, we accept credit card payments as well.
All right, that's very convenient. Thanks again for all the information.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.